Hi, and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. Which pop star is known for songs like Watermelon Sugar? Is it A. Harry Styles, B. Shawn Mendes, or C. Justin Bieber? It is A. Harry Styles. Which of the following is Lake Tanganyika known for being the second deepest lake in the world? Is it A. Largest freshwater, B. Second deepest, or C. Saline water? It is B. Second deepest. What is Los Angeles famously known as due to its association with the film industry? Is it A. Broadway, B. Silicon Valley, or C. Hollywood? It is C. Hollywood. What event is commonly associated with the official end of the Western Roman Empire in 476 AD? Is it A. Invasion of Britain, B. Deposition of Romulus Augustulus, or C. Construction of the Colosseum? It is B. Deposition of Romulus Augustulus. What type of cuisine is shawarma most commonly associated with? Is it A. Middle Eastern, B. Mexican, or C. Italian? It is A. Middle Eastern. What is Pashto primarily recognized as in Afghanistan and Pakistan? Is it A. a language, B. a festival, or C. a musical instrument? It is A. a language. Which Great Lake is the state of Michigan bordered by to the east? Is it A. Lake Michigan, B. Lake Huron, or C. Lake Superior? It is B. Lake Huron. What is the main theme explored in Kendrick Lamar's album Good Kid, Massachusetts, AD City? Is it A. Gang violence, B. Love stories, or C. Travel adventures? It is A. Gang violence. What astronomical event is characterized by the explosive death of a star? Is it A. black hole, B. supernova, or C. nebula? It is B. supernova. Which invention is Thomas Edison best known for developing that revolutionized electric lighting? Is it A. telephone, B. television, or C. electric light bulb? It is C. electric light bulb. Which notable economic theory was developed at the University of Chicago, often associated with free market principles? Is it A. behavioral economics, B. Keynesian economics, or C. Chicago School? It is C. Chicago School. What is the primary purpose of the Swahili language in East Africa? Is it A. religious texts, B. scientific research, or C. trade communication? It is C. trade communication. What is the primary function of an integrated circuit? Is it A. process electrical signals, B. store data, or C. generate electricity? It is A. process electrical signals. What is the primary function of a dishwasher? Is it A. cooking food, B. cleaning dishes, or C. storing utensils? It is B. cleaning dishes. Which initiative was Michelle Obama known for during her time as First Lady of the United States? Is it A. Let's Move, B. Healthy Families, or C. Reading Revolution? It is A. Let's Move. What type of organisms are primarily known for natural antifreeze protein production? Is it A. birds, B. fish, or C. mammals? It is B. fish. What is the primary purpose of hibernation in animals? Is it A. communication, B. reproduction, or C. energy conservation? It is C. energy conservation. What is Nowruz primarily celebrated as? Is it A, Harvest Festival, B, New Year, or C, Winter Solstice? It is B, New Year. What is the primary focus of Sufism in Islam? Is it A, ritual prayer, B, legal scholarship, or C, mystical experience? It is C, mystical experience. What country does the Falkland Islands maintain a self-governing status in association with? Is it A, Argentina, B, United Kingdom, or C, Chile? It is B, United Kingdom. What is the title of the duet performed by Shawn Mendes and Camila Cabello that became a global hit in 2019? Is it A, Señorita, B, Dynamite, or C, Shallow? It is A, Señorita. What was the significant outcome of the Battle of Plassey in 1757? Is it A, British control over Bengal, B, French victory in India, or C, end of Mughal Empire? It is A, British control over Bengal. What is the name of Michael Jackson's iconic music video that features a famous dance sequence with zombies? Is it A, Thriller, B, Beat It, or C, Smooth Criminal? It is A, Thriller. What does a vegetarian diet exclude? Is it A, plant-based foods, B, poultry, or C, red meat? It is B, poultry. What is chronic pelvic pain syndrome? Is it A, endometriosis, B, bladder infection, or C, uterine fibroids? It is A, endometriosis. Which hit song is Lil Nas X known for that popularized the genre of country rap? Is it A, Panini, B, Montero, or C, Old Town Road? It is C, Old Town Road. What phenomenon do polar stratospheric clouds primarily contribute to in the atmosphere? Is it A, air circulation, B, climate warming, or C, ozone depletion? It is C, ozone depletion. What is the capital city of Algeria? Is it A, Oran, B, Algiers, or C, Constantine? It is B, Algiers. What is the capital city of Suriname? Is it A, Georgetown, B, Paramaribo, or C, Brasilia? It is B, Paramaribo. What is the main theme associated with Jean Valjean in Victor Hugo's novel Les Miserables? Is it A, revenge, B, wealth, or C, redemption? It is C, redemption. What massive stone figures are found on Easter Island? Is it A, Colossi of Memnon, B, Moai statues, or C, Sphinx? It is B, Moai statues. What is a skinwalker in Native American folklore? Is it A, shapeshifter, B, ghost, or C, spirit guide? It is A, shapeshifter. What common ingredient is primarily used to make traditional BBQ sauce? Is it A, mustard, B, vinegar, or C, tomato? It is C, tomato. Where is Madagascar located? Is it A, Africa, B, Asia, or C, Europe? It is A, Africa. What is the primary role of an antigen in the immune response? Is it A, produce antibodies, B, trigger immune response, or C, inhibit pathogens? It is B, trigger immune response. Which field is Carnegie Mellon University particularly renowned for? Is it A, business, B, medicine, or C, computer science? It is C. Computer science. Which actor won an Academy Award for Best Supporting Actor for their role in The Departed? Is it A. Matt Damon, B. Mark Wahlberg, or C. Jack Nicholson? It is B. Mark Wahlberg. What plant is known for its ability to store water in arid climates? Is it A. Fern, B. Oak, or C. Cactus? It is C. Cactus. What is the primary purpose of the Krebs cycle in cellular respiration? Is it A. DNA replication, B. Protein synthesis, or C. Energy production? It is C. Energy production. What concept does Schrödinger's cat illustrate in quantum mechanics? Is it A. Superposition, B. Entanglement, or C. Uncertainty? It is A. Superposition. In which Olympic event is the javelin throw an athletic competition? Is it A. Gymnastics, B. Swimming, or C. Track and field? It is C. Track and field. Which British nurse is known as the founder of modern nursing? Is it A. Clara Barton, B. Marie Curie, or C. Florence Nightingale? It is C. Florence Nightingale. What is the capital city of Libya? Is it A. Misrata, B. Benghazi, or C. Tripoli? It is C. Tripoli. What is the height of Burj Khalifa, the tallest building in Dubai? Is it A. 828 meters, B. 650 meters, or C. 900 meters? It is A. 828 meters. What is the primary artistic medium used in the famous musical work Capriccio by Richard Strauss? Is it A. Opera, B. Symphony, or C. Ballet? It is A. Opera. What is the capital city of Seychelles? Is it A. Port Louis, B. Victoria, or C. Nairobi? It is B. Victoria. What river flows through the Wye Valley in England and Wales? Is it A. Severn, B. Wye, or C. Thames? It is B. Wye. What is the name of NASA's program aimed at returning humans to the moon, named after the Greek goddess Artemis? Is it A. Artemis, B. Apollo, or C. Orion? It is A. Artemis. Which genre best describes Panic at the Disco's album Death of a Bachelor? Is it A. Pop rock, B. Country, or C. Hip hop? It is A. Pop rock. What is the primary effect of dark energy in the universe? Is it A. Accelerating expansion, B. Cooling matter, or C. Forming galaxies? It is A. Accelerating expansion. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.